I wish you would step back from that globe, my friend. You could cut ties with Satan's lies that you've been living in. And if you do not want to see space again, I would understand. It's all Disneyland. Angry ballers think we're insane. Ice ring over a secret plane. They're screaming we are wrong, wrong. They just love to fight, they're way too loud. You can show them life, but they're way too proud. They'll just sing their song, cause NASA's giving everyone degrees. And they say you can put your Christ away. Wish you would step back from that globe, my friend. You could cut ties with NASA's lies that you've been living in. And if you don't believe CGI again, I would understand. It's all computer land. Well, the rocket's empty, there's no payload. Got crisis actors that don't explode. They say that teacher's gone, and your friends have left you, you've been dismissed. You say space is fake and it doesn't exist, and they call you a moron. Cape Canaveral's being run by demons. Maybe today we'll get on our knees and pray. Wish you would step back from that globe, my friend. You could cut ties with Satan's lies that you've been living in. And if you do not want to be fooled again, I would understand. Why are they hiding land? And that's what I demand. From that globe, my friend, I would understand. Wish you could step back from that globe, my friend. It's all Disneyland. Wish you could step back from that globe, my friend. Liars on demand, telling you their praying. Don't misunderstand.